Nan, babaw kabalen, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, I'm gonna be excited, Jan.
Yes, a little bit different sa mga pinupuntahan natin
Yes.
na resto
Yes.
or mga kinakainan
Yes,
natin.
but take note, this is not the business setup.
So, we will be having a keto day today.
Yep.
So, tara,
Let's go! So once again guys, we would like to thank you for being with us in this video. For today's vlog, we would like to thank KETO Goodies Pampanga by
Keto Nath.
Keto Nath. There you go. So when you say keto, what comes in your mind?
Feeling ko pag keto, magda-diet tayo.
Anyway, so we're gonna get into that later on. For now, let us introduce to you the food that they offered us to taste.
So nagsimula yung Keto Goodies Pampanga sa mga pandesals nila. We have 5 flavors. So meron tayong choco pandesal, plain pandesal, cream cheese pandesal, ube pandesal, and custard pandesal. If ever makikita nyo on my side, ito yung mga parang mga sweet side,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
They want to say na you can eat without guilt.
On my side naman dito. So meron din pala silang mga ulam.
Ulam.
Right now they have this Arellano'ng bangus and then meron din tayo ditong keto longganisa. So for the strict keto guys, we learn na yung mga root crops are
High in carbs.
yan. So
Kumbaga.
they have eliminated that from this dish. But again, the taste and the experience probably
It's still the same.
still the same. Kumbaga.
So later titikman natin yun.
Alright, yeah.
So another product nila is yung mga braso de Mercedes. So meron tayo ditong custard braso and ube braso.
Yes.
So meron din silang mga cupcakes. So meron silang mango bacon cupcakes, black forest, and rocky road. For the knowledge na ng mga viewers natin, so they are using keto approved sugar.
Okay, another interesting dish na naka-adapt sa kanilang lineup is this kimchi. Again, this is really good for your keto diet. But of course, the same great experience for a kimchi. For our drinks, we have classic milk tea. They also have choco batirol, and then they also have coffee espresso. So if you are conscious or really, you wanna know the details, so the macros is available, yung net carb natin dyan. Now, lastly, for the cakes, they have this cake in cans, and then they also have this birthday cakes. So this is very special for Keto Goodies Pampanga.
Siyempre, ayaw naman nating i-deprive them
There you
from
go.
eating something sweet.
Yeah.
So ginawa nila to para dun sa dad nila, diabetes.
Yes.
So, sa mga canned cakes natin, so we have strawberry cake, so meron tayong blueberry tea cake, dulce de leche, meron tayong ube cheese, choco moist, vanilla latte, and French truffle.
We would like to emphasize na si Keto Nath is the #1 supplier of Keto Goodies in Central Luzon.
Wow.
Grabe guys. And then the #1 distributor po ng kanilang product is Keto Goodies Pampanga. Okay, I wanna taste yung kanilang Arellano'ng bangus that we have during fiestas.
Yes.
Pretty much the same consistency, look.
So, akin naman titikman ko yung longganisa nila. So, let's taste it. So, in fairness naman yung lasa pa rin niya is the same pa rin dun sa mga normal na nabibili natin.
Next I wanna taste is yung kanilang kimchi. Oh wow! Fermented, parang ganun yung taste niya.
To give you an idea,
Yeah.
yung kimchi nila is naturally
Naturally
fermented.
fermented.
Wow!
Perfect na terno para samgyupsal night. I think I'm gonna go for the mango bacon cupcake. I think.
So, I'll go for the pies nila. So, meron silang egg pie, meron silang buko pie, and ube makapuno pie. So, ang titikman ko yung egg pie nila.
Wow. So nahuli na si Jan. I started with my dessert, with my sweet. So many flavors in just one bite. And then take note, this is keto friendly.
Hindi mo napapansin na nagkikito ka na pala.
Exactly. Now I understand kung paano nire-recommend or yung mga feedback ng mga client nila that it tastes the same, but then again, you can have as much as you want without the guilt.
Yes.
Alright, so moving on guys, I wanna taste this really lovely Black Forest cupcake. So let us emphasize, guys. So these cherries, they ran into keto processes.
Same time, so yung akin naman titingnan ko yung ubi pandesal nila. So yung mga ubes nila is more on essence lang. So for the sake na at least makatingin pa rin kayo ng ube sa mga nag-keto.
Exactly. Ciao.
Walang difference eh.
I think so.
Sarap!
No wonder they are trusted by their client because of the quality at the same time. Mga procedures nila na ginagawa.
The next food naman na titikman natin is yung chicken floss
bread. Okay? Because I'm really into berries. So I love berries like strawberries, raspberry, blueberry. Yung strawberry po nila dito is actually mixed with the cream cheese. Now let's taste the bread. And then yung bread is actually for me it's not dry. And then additionally, guys, the flour that they used here is almond flour. So they have again variants for the braso de Mercedes. They look like a cupcake.
Pero ito, it's a keto friendly.
Ooh. Wow. I gotta tell you guys, in all honesty, I mean, the experience and the satisfaction is the same.
Yes.
You get to enjoy these kind of dishes without the guilt. Now for their drinks, I'm actually having this Keto Choco Batirol.
So sa mga milk tea lover naman, syempre meron din silang for keto. So meron dito is Keto Classic Milk Tea.
Yeah, it's good for keto. Okay, I think last for this vlog, let me introduce to you yung taste namin dito sa truffles cake nila.
So let's taste it yung...
Scoop in.
Wow! Nandun pa rin yung experience ng truffle.
Yeah. I'm actually enjoying this kind of food, no? There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for being with us. Again, this is, I think, beneficial to those who are looking for this kind of food.
So they are available in Keto Goodies Pampanga by Keto Nath. So they are offering baked goodies, ice cream, milk teas, and keto essentials.
There you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to, give it a thumbs up, you share it with your friends, lalong-lalo na yung friend mo na naghahanap na ng keto food dito sa Pampanga. These are available po. And thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. We hope to see you in the next video because we're gonna be there. Peace out. Bye-bye.